Do I say your name? Is it Ramzan?
Yes, Ramzan.
Nice to meet you, Ramzan. I'm Inga. I'm from Melbourne, Australia.
Nice to meet you too. I'm from India.
India, cool.
Yes.
Are you from the north or the south?
Yes, North.
North, yes.
Yes.
All right. So tell me a little bit about yourself and also what has brought you to Cambly to improve your English?
Yes, I am a software developer, so I develop website apps,
Mhm.
and I am practicing on Cambly for last 1 week.
All right. So you're new to Cambly.
Yes, yes, and I am more focused on the pronunciation and the accent, that
Hmm.
how I can pronounce the words, and if I have any mistake while speaking, so someone should correct me.
Yeah. And what,
Yes.
what do you do for work? Or are you studying?
No, no, I am a software developer.
Oh, sorry, you did say software developer, but you're not studying at the moment at
No,
all?
no, just practicing on
Interesting.
Cambly and doing my own projects.
Yeah. So being a software developer, does that take up a lot of your time? Is it a full-time capacity that you're working with?
Yes, actually, I working on full time and just spending 15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes on Cambly for practicing my English skill.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excellent. And so with your pronunciation, etc., what things are you doing to improve your pronunciation?
Actually, in the previous classes on Cambly, the teachers were helping me to speak some words. They were choosing some lessons from Cambly, and I was
Yeah.
trying to read out all those vocabularies. And if there would be any mistakes, so they were trying to correct me.
Fantastic. So there's a few ways you can improve your pronunciation. That is definitely one of them. Another method that I have found students, the students who have tried this method, it has been very effective. Do you know of TED Talks?
Yes, I started from TED Talks.
Fantastic. So
Yes.
if you go on the website, underneath the screen, there's a drop down option and you can see the transcript.
Okay.
So choosing whether you prefer American English or Australian English or maybe a mix, go onto these TED Talks transcript. And what you can do is say, uh, play the video for the first, say, two sentences, and then press stop. Get your mobile phone and record, and just follow the transcript,
Okay.
and record yourself saying those two sentences and play it back to yourself.
Okay.
And then you can compare it to the speaker. So you can play what you've recorded and play again how the speaker pronounces, and you can hear differences. And I found that the students that recorded themselves, they say, "Oh no, that doesn't sound like me," but it's a really good way to listen to yourself. So you can really hear differences with pronunciation. So that's another way, another valuable method or practice, if you like. Um, is there something that you want to do from the Cambly Library?
Sorry, what I
Is
do?
there is there something that you want to do from the Cambly Library today?
Yes, correctly. What I am thinking is that you have to ask me rapid fire questions, and I will be giving you immediate reply. So yes, in
Ah,
that way,
like a game.
yes, you can call it. But the main motive is to practice my English fluency.
Okay, so do you want to say go for um, English conversation? And do you want me to ask you questions? Is that how you would like it?
Yes, if that is possible, if you have the option to have some list of vocabularies. So I will be reading out the single word, and you should correct me if I am reading it incorrectly.
Oh, like a list.
Yes, list of words.
Okay, well let's see what I can find. Um, I don't know about any specific list. I've got pronunciation tongue twisters, and I can
Yes,
correct your pronunciation there. That
yes,
might
yes,
be
yes. Please,
okay.
please select that one, and we just need to proceed with that.
Okay,
Yes,
this is really good for exercising the mouth. Just very quickly, English does come from here. You need to really use the jaw and the chin. So it's good when you practice to practice quite big. So
yes,
have a go.
yes. Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers uh, Peter Piper picked?
Excellent. So this is good for the p sound. Also
Yes.
with picked, you have ed. Now, this is interesting because you have ed that sounds like t, ed that sounds like d, and ed that sounds like id.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, which I did hear a little bit of, the word picked, if you look at the CK part of it, so
Uh-huh.
pick, there is voiced and unvoiced. So this will help you with your ed endings.
Yes.
So voice. So if you put your hand on your throat, if
Uh-huh.
you may.
Yes.
So when you just speak like this, sometimes you can feel it vibrate, and
Uh-huh.
other sounds you feel it. There's no vibration.
Yes.
So you have voiced and unvoiced. Now look at the word picked. So
Picked.
say, yeah, say k, k, k.
Picked. Yes.
No vibration,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So the sound k is unvoiced. There's no vibration.
Yes.
So with the ed sound,
Uh-huh.
it's a t sound.
Yes.
So they have to go together. So I heard before you said picked, but it's actually picked with the T sound.
Okay. Picked.
Excellent.
Picked.
So, yeah, that was fantastic. So,
Okay.
picked. So, for example, say the word paved. Put your hand back on your neck
Mm-hmm.
and say V, V,
V.
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 And you
Paved.
can, yeah, you
V.
can feel it vibrate.
Vibration. Yes.
Right. So with the ed ending in this case will be D sound. So to be paved,
Paved.
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 So that is
Paved.
voice.
Yes.
So those sounds have to go together. You can't
Yes.
mix them up.
Yes.
Okay, so they're the two biggest groups that will help you with your ed endings. So for example, paved will have a d ed sound.
Mm-hmm.
Picked will have a t
P
ed
sound.
sound.
Yes. Picked. Paved.
Do you hear the difference?
Yes.
Excellent. All right. So maybe just say the first paragraph. Oops, sorry, my pen is not working. All right. So just Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Just that much.
Picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Good. So you can see, like, that is so much better. You said picked instead of picked.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What else can we go through? Okay. Let's change to another.
Yes.
Woodchuck. I love this one. Okay. Can you read for me?
Woodchuck. How much how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Very good. All right. The W is sounding a little bit more like a V.
Okay.
So
Wood.
yeah, so with the lips, you have to sort of purse them forward a bit more.
Okay, wood.
That's it. Yeah. So we're trying to avoid the like the V sound.
Yes.
So don't vibrate the lips together. We want it sort of pursed forward and
Wood.
Perfect.
So is there
Yes.
any difference between both this pronunciation, like how much wood?
No difference whatsoever, just spelling and the meaning, but it sounds
Oh,
exactly the same.
okay, great.
Yeah. Okay, so what other sound can we do? You're a very quick learner. It's very good.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, I love fuzzy wuzzy. Okay.
Fuzzy Buzzy. Should I read?
Yeah, please.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a beer. Fuzzy
Bear.
Wuzzy was a
Bear.
bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't. Fuzzy was he.
Good. Now, some S's in English sound like Z. In this case, was. So it's not was, was.
Was.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're already changing the sounds of your W, which is fantastic.
Yes.
So was. So air, bear. This is called a diphthong. A diphthong, I think it's a very funny word, diphthong. But basically, a diphthong is when you go through like changing sounds in the one word. Yeah, like bear, hair, etc. Okay. All right. Let's have a look. Are you on a farm? I can hear animals.
No. Actually, there is a cock.
Okay. All right. So this one is a classic. Can you say this one with the minute that we have left?
Yes. Seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely seashells.
That was really good. Fantastic.
Thank you.
That one's a hard one because you have to go from sh to s
Yes.
very quickly. So there's really no correction with that one because that was lovely.
Yes, actually, in the same way, I am interested to book another class with you because I want the same type of practice of these things. And even you have also corrected me in a lot of words. So that is really great for me because in that way I would able to correct all those things which I had to.
Fantastic. Well, we've run out of time, but I'll
Okay.
send you my schedule and we'll
Yes.
see each other again.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.